Hello, welcome to Around the House with Terry and Tom, and today we're going to make this one pot meal here. And it'll be good for the whole family, but especially the kids love stuff like this. And we're going to use, I hit my elbow, it hurt. We're going to use this ground sirloin here. And these patties are 1/3 of a pound each. And so we'll use this canned tomato soup, Rotel tomatoes, Giorgio mushrooms. I've got a box of this rice that we're going to put all this stuff on top of when we take it out. I've got some onions diced up here. We're going to put those in there. We're going to do it all in Ninja FOODi, of course, and see what we can come up with. So I'm getting where I'm running out of ingredients. I'm going to have to make a run to the store, and I really don't want to. So we're going to see some weird recipes in the next few days. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Okay, now the first thing we'll do is dump these Giorgio mushrooms down in here. Oh, they look good. They are good. I tried one just a minute ago. Then we're going to do these Rotel tomatoes. Those are delicious. I don't know if y'all have ever tried these or not, but if you haven't, you need to give them a try at least one time. And then this can of tomato soup. Good old Campbell's tomato soup. Like that. Okay, now I got these onions here. It's about 1/2 cup of diced onions. Put right down in there. Okay, now I'm going to stir it all up real good. You could probably skip this if you wanted to, but I just like to stir it up, have it mixed up good to start with. Okay, and now we're going to take these two good looking beef patties and put down in here. Alright. That's going to make something good right there. Okay, then we're going to put our pressure lid on here. You know the drill, line up your arrows, turn it clockwise so it stops. Make sure your valve back here is turned to seal. Alright, turn on the power. Set over here to pressure cook. It's on high, it goes to high automatically and 10 minutes automatically. Well, we don't want the 10 minutes so you hit the time. And then we'll run it up to 25 minutes. Alright, and now we'll go hit the start button. Now there's really not a whole lot in that pot, so I don't think it's going to take it too awful long for it to come up and pressurize, but we'll see. I'll keep track of it and let you know. Okay, this button's starting to jump around here, and it's took it exactly 11 minutes before it starts to move around like that, and it's getting ready to pop up at any second. So while we're waiting for that second to go by, if y'all can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we'd sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you folks that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. So here comes that button any second now. And there it is. And so it took, like I said, 11 minutes, well, almost 12 minutes for it to come up. And so now we'll get back over here and watch these lights jump around, and it'll be up and running in a few minutes, start to count down that 25 minutes. Okay, now it only took about a minute or 45 seconds to a minute for it to start counting down at 25 minutes. So we'll get on to doing something else now. We'll be back to this in 24 minutes. Okay, I want to tell you right now, that pot sure is smelling good over there. So now we'll come over here and I got my Gotham steel pan pot here. We'll put this rice in. It says put a quart of water in there for each bag of rice. So I'm just going to cook one bag of rice. I'm just going to put 1 quart of water in it, or thereabouts. So it looks about like a quart, y'all. Does me. Alright. Now it says take 1 bag of this rice here, and it says submerge it in the water. I guess that's why you're supposed to do it before you get it hot. Maybe you should spread it out more. So, alright. Now it says bring it to a boil and let it boil for 10 minutes. I'm going to turn that burner on high to start with. I might turn it down in a minute or two just to see. Now we'll get back to that. Okay, now that bag of rice is rolling right along there. So it said let it do that for 10 minutes. So it's got another minute or two to go. But anyway, if you're at least a bit curious, it took 7 minutes for that pot of water to come to a boil. And so, like I say, if you're curious at all. So just so you can time it to fix your other stuff. And back over here, you can see we're down to 3 minutes and 43 seconds on our cook here. And we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes after it comes to an end. So, just so it can let a little bit of the steam out naturally before we go ahead and release it. And in the meantime, it's going to be, when that 3 minutes is up, it'll be time to turn this rice off over here, because it just so happened it started to boil about 10 minutes before, when this was counting down, when it hit 10 minutes, that started to boil. So that worked out good. Okay, now we're down to under 10 seconds on this cook here, and like I said, after it finishes, we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes and just have a natural release. And with the Ninja FOODi DELUXE, after it sits here for a second, it starts counting up your minutes like this. And so we'll get up, and when it hits 5 minutes, we'll stop it, open that top, and see what we got. In the meantime, okay, I got my fork here and pick this up with it to take it out. I'll put this down here and get my scissors. And we're just going to cut the top off. Oh, that's some nice looking rice, isn't it? Now I'll add just a little bit of salt. I don't add too much, because all the rest of the stuff's got so much sodium in it. Well, that looks pretty good. Now when I started, I said this is one pot meal, and it is. The rice is optional. You know, so if you can just take this stuff out and eat it just the way it is and it'll be fine. But this rice here just adds a little extra to it, and it's going to be really good. Okay, now there it is at 5 minutes, so we'll go back here and hit this valve. I imagine it's still going to have quite a bit of pressure on it, so it's going to make a lot of noise, I imagine, so you can't hear me if I talk. No, it's not too bad. I'm going to keep track of it and see exactly how long it takes for that tin to dry. Okay, and there it went. Now it took exactly 3 minutes and 17 seconds for that pin to drop. So, because I had a lot of pressure in there on it. Now let's take a look down in here and see what we got. Turn it counterclockwise, pick it up and away from your face. Turn it upside down. That looks so good. Well, let's move you in a little closer here. Now let me get me something over here to move it with. As usual, I grab my Fry Daddy scoop here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. Look at all them juices down in there. Yep. So now, okay, now that about does it for this little video. Like I said at the beginning it was a 1-pot meal, and it is if you don't use the rice, you know. And I'll tell you right now, it's going to be just as good with or without the rice in it. So let's give it a taste and see what it's like. Kay's trying to eat it all right here before we get through the video, so it must be good. So till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Don't forget to wash those hands and stay away from everybody and stay indoors as much as you can. So until next time, goodbye now.